Welcome to the School of Crypto Lights YouTube channel. Picture a world where you are your own bank, a world where your money travels across the globe in seconds, with no middleman, no delay, and complete transparency. Imagine if every transaction you ever made was recorded in a digital ledger that's open for everyone to see, yet impossible to tamper with. This isn't science fiction, it's the revolutionary power of cryptocurrency. Today, we're about to pull back the curtain and reveal the magic behind digital money. What is cryptocurrency? At its simplest, cryptocurrency is digital money, completely virtual and secured by cryptography. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, crypto exists on a decentralized network where no single entity holds control. This means you can send or receive money from anywhere in the world, bypassing the conventional banking system. Cryptocurrency isn't just an alternative form of payment, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about and handle money. The backbone: blockchain technology. Let's dive into the heart of the matter: the blockchain. Imagine a chain of digital blocks, each one containing a bundle of verified transactions. Once a block is full, it's permanently linked to the previous one, forming an unbreakable chain, a digital ledger that's stored across thousands of computers globally. This decentralization ensures that the data is transparent, immutable, and secure. Every time a transaction occurs, it's like adding a new indelible chapter to a public history book. Securing the network, mining, and consensus. So, how does the system verify each transaction? Enter the process known as mining. But this isn't your typical mining for gold. This is digital mining. Powerful computers solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network. When a puzzle is solved, a new block is added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process, known as proof of work, ensures that the network remains honest and secure. Some cryptocurrencies, however, have moved away from mining altogether, opting for methods like proof of stake, where users stake their coins to validate transactions. Both approaches aim to build a trustworthy and resilient network that stands as the backbone of the crypto world. Understanding value: scarcity, utility, and trust. Now you might ask, if there's no physical asset backing these currencies, what gives them value? The answer lies in three pillars. Scarcity. Many cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, have a fixed supply, meaning there's a cap on how many coins can ever exist. Just like precious metals, rarity can drive up value. Utility. Beyond being a digital currency, many cryptos power entire ecosystems. For instance, Ethereum isn't just money, it's the fuel for smart contracts and decentralized applications. Trust and adoption. Ultimately, the value of any currency is determined by what people are willing to exchange for it. As more individuals and businesses embrace cryptocurrency, its real-world utility and value grows exponentially. Securing your digital wealth, wallets, and best practices. Taking control of your cryptocurrency means taking charge of its security. The first step is choosing the right type of wallet, which serves as your personal vault in the digital realm. Hot wallets. These are online wallets, mobile apps, desktop software, or web-based platforms that provide immediate access for day-to-day transactions. Their convenience makes them ideal for active traders or anyone needing quick access to their funds. However, because they're connected to the internet, they are more susceptible to phishing attacks, malware, and hacking attempts. Always choose a reputable provider and ensure you have robust security measures like two-factor authentication and complex, unique passwords in place. Cold wallets. Cold wallets are offline storage options that include hardware wallets, dedicated devices designed to store your private keys securely, and even paper wallets, where keys are printed and stored in a safe location. Although these methods might be less convenient for daily transactions, they offer a much higher level of security by keeping your keys away from potential online threats. Many long-term investors store the majority of their assets in cold wallets to minimize risk. Remember the mantra, not your keys, not your coins. If you don't have direct control over your private keys, you're effectively entrusting your digital wealth to a third party, a risk you may want to avoid. To further secure your assets, follow these best practices. Back up your keys. Save copies of your private keys in multiple secure locations, such as encrypted digital storage or even a safe deposit box. Utilize multi-signature wallets. These require more than one key to authorize a transaction, adding an extra layer of security. Stay updated. Regularly update your wallet software and security protocols to protect against new vulnerabilities and threats. By combining these strategies, you can confidently safeguard your digital wealth and ensure that you remain the sole custodian of your assets. Navigating the regulatory landscape and environmental concerns. Narrator. While the transformative potential of cryptocurrency is undeniable, the industry also faces significant real-world challenges that cannot be overlooked. Regulatory uncertainty. As governments and regulatory bodies around the world grapple with the rapid rise of digital currencies, there is a constant state of flux in the legal landscape. Some regions have embraced cryptocurrency, establishing clear guidelines that promote innovation while protecting consumers. For instance, countries like Switzerland and Singapore have created crypto-friendly environments with supportive regulatory frameworks. In contrast, other nations have implemented strict regulations or outright bans, which can create market uncertainty and impact adoption rates. This patchwork of policies means that investors and users must stay informed about the regulatory changes in their own countries as well as in major global markets. Environmental impact. Another critical concern is the environmental footprint of cryptocurrency, particularly with mining operations that use proof of work, POW. POW mining is notoriously energy-intensive, leading to significant carbon emissions and raising environmental sustainability questions. In response, the industry is actively exploring greener alternatives. For example, many projects are transitioning to proof of stake, POS, or other consensus mechanisms that drastically reduce energy consumption. Additionally, there is a growing investment in renewable energy sources to power mining operations, as well as innovations in mining technology aimed at improving energy efficiency. Balancing these challenges is essential for the future of digital finance. Stakeholders, from developers and investors to regulators, must work collaboratively to create policies and technologies that foster both innovation and sustainability. This delicate balance will help ensure that cryptocurrency can evolve into a robust and inclusive financial system for the future. As we conclude our deep dive into how cryptocurrency actually works, take a moment to reflect on the revolutionary potential of this technology. Cryptocurrency is far more than just digital money. It's a paradigm shift in the way we manage trust, execute transactions, and empower individuals around the globe. It's dismantling the old guard of traditional finance and paving the way for a future that is decentralized, transparent, and secure. The digital revolution is here, and it's built on technology that returns control to you. Whether you're an investor looking to diversify, a tech enthusiast passionate about innovation, or someone simply curious about the future of money, understanding the ins and outs of cryptocurrency is vital in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of digital finance. If you found this video enlightening and inspiring, please hit the like button, share it with others, subscribe for more in-depth explorations, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. The decentralized future is unfolding right before our eyes. Are you ready to be a part of it?